Did you know you can use this time-saving calculator hack to plot a graph? Well, first click the Menu button. Then we want to locate the table option that looks like this. For this calculator, we need to click the down button twice, and it's this option. Then press equals. We'll now place the right side of our equation into the calculator. And to do this, we press alpha, then x, then square it, then -2, alpha x minus 2, then press equals. If you see this screen, then great, but if you see gx equals screen, you can ignore this by pressing equals. So the start value is the first value from the table. Let's type -2 into the calculator, then press equals. The end value is the final value from the table, so we'll type 4 into the calculator, then press equals. The step is how much we increase the x values by along these columns. Since we increase by 1 and the calculator has it already, we'll press equals. The left column represents the x values from the table, whereas the f of x column represents the y values from the table. So we can place the values from this column into the table to complete it. Next, all we need to do is just plot each of the coordinates onto the graph and sketch the curve passing through those points.